Changing your email on Rabobank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Rabobank website or open a mobile app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or profile section, usually found in the main menu or under your account overview. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings, find the option for email preferences or contact information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure it is correct. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After entering your new email, click Save or Update. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the change. Follow any instructions provided in that email. Once you've completed these steps, your email address will be updated in Rabobank's system. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.